Hello my wonderful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys the best way to make clove, ginger and onion spray for hair growth. If you're my return subscriber, you are welcome and thank you as well. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. Just hit that subscribe button to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friend. And make sure you stay to the end of this video so that you'll see how you can do it in a better way. So this is my hair. My hair is actually a year and 2 months right now. You can see how full grown thick the hair is. It looks so nice, all thanks to clove, ginger and onion water. That is what I use to grow my hair to this length. So guys, these are the 2 ingredients that we'll be using in today's tutorial: clove, ginger and onion. I have already washed them. Next, I'm going to slide the onion and ginger into smaller pieces. Add it to my pan, add water to it and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, after 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it will look like. You can see the water have changed color to dark brown. So after then, turn off your gas and allow it to cool off, and then pour it inside your spray bottle. Next, I'm going to apply it to my hair. Guys, this really smells nice. And before I begin to apply it on my hair, I have to section my hair with a bag, so that when I apply it, it's going to enter well. Ginger is a good antioxidant that prevents premature graying of hair and make it healthy, shining and smooth. Clove also contains antioxidants and minerals that could strengthen hair growth and protect the scalp, while onions prevent hair loss and promoting hair growth. So this should actually give you that long, thick and full hair that you desire. Apply this on your hair 3 times in a week and thank me later. And please don't forget to subscribe as you're watching. Like this video, comment and share with your friends. And in my next video, I'll be showing you guys the best way to make rice water for hair growth. So this is me. I am done applying the clove with 3 ingredient mixture into my hair. So I'm going to go and style it.